going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the Captain boot from the Thursday Boot Company. Now these are pretty expensive, at least for a guy like me coming from sneakers. However, from the research I've done, they're apparently pretty great value for the money for all the parts that they include. I'll explain later in the video. These retail for $199 on their website. Here's the box. It's all black. It looks pretty nice. Let's get them open. So here they are on first impressions. They feel very solid, very hefty. They're well protected in this plastic bag to, prevent scuffs and whatnot. Overall, really sleek feeling shoes, very shiny, and they look really, really nice. Let's get them both out here. So let's talk about the big thing everyone wants to know about, the cowhide. How's the leather for 200 bucks? Well, according to Thursday, the boot is handcrafted with the highest quality Tier 1 USA Kobe beef leather. They tan and dye the leather in-house using their own special process. The leather on this boot is their own proprietary Thursday chrome leather. To be frank, the leather feels very similar to a dress shoe leather. Leather is thicker than your average dress shoe leather, but if I had to describe how it feels, that's exactly what it feels like. It even smells like it, obviously, because of leather and whatnot. Only time will tell how the leather will age, but from the pictures I've seen, it ages pretty well. So just looking at the leather, if you're thinking that the price is too high, we're going to be looking down below for another reason of why the shoe is as expensive as it is. The shoe features a Goodyear Welt construction. Now, if you're like me and you're wondering what in the blue moon is a Goodyear Welt, Thursday says that a Goodyear Welt construction is the golden standard for footwear. It's one of the very first major upgrades that separates pretty much a proper boot from just a generic boot that's like less than 100 bucks. Basically, it's a strip of leather that sits around the perimeter of the shoe. It can be seen pretty easily even from a distance. The welt is first adhered to the upper, then stitched to the outsole. Now, a Goodyear Welt makes a boot more expensive because of the added materials, the fact that it's a time-consuming process, and Thursday says that it's difficult to master. However, the pros of the welt are extended durability, water resistance, and resoleability. So if your boot's outsole ever gets worn out throughout the course of its life, you have the ability to get a new outsole for your boot.
And it also helps in the resoling process, since shoes with a welt construction are the easiest and most common to resole.
The way that works is that you visit a shoe cobbler and he gets you right. If you want to know more about the welt stuff, Thursday Boots website has an excellent page dedicated to explaining the welt. Other features of the shoe include the custom developed reinforced eyelets at the top of the shoe. We also have some flat waxed laces. The benefit of waxed laces include the fact that they tend to maintain their form longer, they tend to remain tight for longer, and they have high water resistance. So an excellent choice for a boot like this. Inside the boot we have a glove leather lining, which feels pretty soft to the touch. The insole is a shock absorbing antimicrobial porn material. Beneath that we have a cork bed midsole. For those who don't know, cork is made from a certain layer of tree bark. We've all seen cork material. It's used for wine stoppers, cork pinboards, and the benefits of a cork bed include the fact that it forms specifically to your feet over time. It also has impact resistance and odor resistance. Moving to the outsole, the shoe has some durable rubber studs with a nice little smiley face at the heel.
Outside I am smiling, but deep down I feel pain. Because you're stepping on me.
So how do they feel on feet? On feet, at first they were obviously very stiff, definitely going to require a couple days of break-in time. Thursday does recommend you go a half size down from what you wear in sneakers, which is exactly what I did. I also ordered the standard width as they do offer wide sizes. Even though I went half a size down, the boot still felt just a tad bit big, but I'm glad I got this size anyways because I feel like if I went a full size down, it would have felt too small. Now, Thursday is a direct-to-consumer brand, so you can't go into the store and try them on because they have no stores and are not available anywhere but their website, I believe. They do offer free returns though, so that's a good option if you're unsure of your size. The boot did feel tight on the bridge of my foot, but after a couple wears, they definitely felt a lot better. Last thing I noticed is that the leather smell is pretty strong. My girlfriend noticed the leather smell from a couple feet away while we were both standing. So whenever you wear them, people are definitely going to know you're wearing real leather. Nice little subtle flex. Overall, the boots performed pretty well for me. Initially, the price point intimidated me, but after getting them, wearing them, seeing the craftsmanship, the materials, and also the extra features like the pour-on insole, the cork bed, and the glove leather lining, the price definitely seemed justified. The boots go with just about everything. They definitely upgrade just about any outfit. And overall, I would just definitely recommend them. So that's going to be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it or found it helpful. I started a TikTok, so go follow me on that. For now, it's just shorter form content that I've already done here on YouTube, but I'm going to be posting more original TikTok specific content in the near future, so definitely look out for that. Anyways, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.